Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can add a full website background on your Wix website. So if you are on your dashboard page, simply click edit site here to go to the website editor, or if you're already on the website editor, go over to the left hand side here and click on site design. From here you have the option to choose the color theme, text theme, page background and page transitions. So in this case we want to click page background. And now you can either upload your own image, you can also change the color or add a video if you'd like. In this case, I'm just going to show an image. So I'm just going to choose one of these down here. Let's say it was an outdoor site. So just click on this one. And as you can see, it uploads the image as an entire background onto your website here. And you can adjust the placement further by using the settings or the little adjustment tools over here. And that's pretty much it. That's how you add a full background to your Wix website. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any other requests and I'll try my best to help you.